Welcome to Open Whispers channel. When the secret whispers of a people turns louder and louder and louder, it becomes open whispers. The tyrant knows that his time is up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, make sure you leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you, and let's roll.
I say so in the light of the prevailing situation in Nigeria as a result of the 2023 general elections, which has generated a lot of storm, necessitating the conversation which we are about to indulge in. As there seems to be moves to throw the nation into chaos or conflagration, these may be brought about by some individuals and groups who, fanning the embers of hatred, bigotry, and tribalism, fail to see the possible outcomes of the utterances without caution that are being thrown around.
The long-awaited judgment in the petitions filed by the PDP and Atiku and that of the Labour Party and Peter Obi is set to come up on Wednesday, September 6, 2023. The notice of the judgment was communicated by the Secretary of the Presidential Election Petition Court to all the parties on Monday. Both Peter Obi and Atiku are challenging INEC's declaration of APC's BOLA TINUBU as president on grounds that the election was riddled with corrupt practices and also that TINUBU was not qualified to contest.
We know that the ship sailed yesterday from Justice Orderly to Festus Keyamo to the DSS and to President TINUBU jetting out of the country when an important decision concerning him will be delivered tomorrow. All are telltale signs that the ship sailed yesterday. TINUBU during the electionary campaign took Nigerians for a ride, took Nigerians for granted, refused to appear on any live TV program to present or defend his manifesto to the people of Nigerians, and this is what is resulting in the government by impulse. Why Nigerians are suffering economic hardship today. A dollar is exchanging at almost 1,000 naira. Subsidy was removed without any plan to cushion the effects on the suffering masses of Nigeria. Orderly has said that they are preempting tomorrow's judgment by saying that individuals are planning protest or saying one thing or the other. The DSS, also not helping matters, has said that they've uncovered plots for people to protest violently tomorrow. Remember that one of the justices in the panel, Tsunami, during the proceedings or the adoption of final addresses by the parties involved, asked a question that a matter that has lasted or an offense that was committed more than 10 years back, does the Bible not preach forgiveness on such things? These are all telltale signs that the ship sailed, in my opinion. If it didn't sail, why would President TINUBU's aide say that TINUBU is not worried about the outcome of tomorrow's judgment? The same tribunal that refused to broadcast the proceedings of the tribunal live has now agreed on their own volition to televise the delivering of the judgment. These are troubling times that Nigerians will see tomorrow. The question is, will individuals be made stronger than Nigerian institutions? Or will institutions be made stronger than individuals? This is the question, the silent question that tomorrow's judgment will deliver. It's not about who won the election. It's not about if INEC disobeyed or flaunted their own rules in conducting an election that was marred by so much irregularities. 25% of FCT requirement is not at stake. TINUBU's forfeiture of 460,000 narcotic drug money is not at stake. TINUBU's mystery in terms of certificates from Chicago or NYSC certificate, whether he served or not, whether he attended primary school or not, is not a question. In a country that has more than 200 million people, and many of them are contributing their quotas in developing foreign nations because they were not given the opportunity to contribute their intelligence quotas in developing Nigerian economy. Nigeria is a joke. Tomorrow, we are expecting that TINUBU's election will be upheld, proving once again Barack Obama right that said that Africans are good in building stronger individuals more than stronger institutions. Tomorrow is pregnant, but from the DNA revealed, we can see that what tomorrow will give birth is already known. When a masquerade overstays in the arena, the uninitiated will throw sand at it. No matter how long it takes a stammerer, he must pronounce his name. If a child grows up to sell the father's land to buy a trumpet, where will he stand to blow the trumpet? See something, say something, and do something. Until we meet again in this arena. This is Open Whispers. Subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button. Share the video. Be well. Do good work. And please keep in touch. Interesting times ahead. Thank you. And God bless you. Is Chris Diggers in Open Whispers. Thank you. And God bless.